Did you know that while arbi is a nourishing root vegetable, it can be really heavy to digest? If your digestion is weak, then frying it can double the heaviness and gas. On the other side, arbi's sweet and cooling nature provides sustained energy and promotes feeling of fullness. In this recipe, I'll show you how you can enjoy arbi's pro side without enhancing the con side. Welcome to the dosha kitchen. Since arbi is a root, it comes with a lot of dirt, so make sure to clean it well. Let it soak in water for a bit so you can rub off the dirt with your fingers. Let's get the pressure cooker ready. Add some water and salt and run it for 2 whistles on high. This has to be quick as we don't want the arbi to be squishy, we want it to be medium firm because it is still going to cook more in the air fryer, right? Let's peel the skin off the arbi now. Spray some melted ghee on it and set it at 200 for 12 to 15 minutes depending on your air fryer. Let's get them out on a plate. And we are now going to flatten them with the help of a steel bowl, or you can use a spatula also. Press each one of them into a uniform patty shape. The final touch, the masala. Now this is where we add the spices on the arbi to make it even more easy to digest. While I put these masalas, you can check the description for specific details relating to your body type. Make a mix of turmeric, cumin powder, ajwain powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, amchur and salt. You can even add some dried ginger powder. Spread it on the arbis. We turn them around and put some on the other side also. This last step I recommend doing it at the last minute when you're just about to eat. So we put them back in the air fryer. If you feel that they are a little dry, then spray a little bit of oil. Set it for 200 for 8 to 10 minutes. Wow, look at the color. It's coming out exactly like the deep fried version. It's perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I promise you, you will not miss the fried version. Serve with some yummy masala rice or have it just as a snack. Like and share this video if you feel you are going to try this. Subscribe to our channel for more such healthy variations.